morning. We are starting our new episode as we drive down to Adelaide to West Beach. West Beach Caravan Park will be our home for the next week. We've got a mix of relaxation, fun and a bit of competition planned, with John playing in a bowls tournament and me off exploring.
How do we get it in a trailer boat, Don?
Oh, you just got to wind it around 3, I think, and it's got to come up yellow. 2, 3. There you go. That's yellow now. You got it.
I put in 4A.
Yeah.
4 though.
Yeah, that'll do.
Thanks, Don.
Making sure everything is set up properly before a long drive is always a must. With trailer mode engaged and mirrors adjusted, we're all set. What are we got to do in West Beach, darling?
Well, we're going to be relaxing. We're going to be having a little swim. We might have a couple of frothies.
Yep.
We might get some fun, some friends of ours, and we're going on a little lawn bowls trip.
Yes, John's got a little bowls tournament that he's playing. So he's going to play bowls, and I'm going to do some fun things too. It's a bit hazy out there on the horizon. Been fires over in Victoria. We're in for a hot week. With a packed week ahead, there's plenty to look forward to, and with temperatures soaring to 38 degrees today and 39 tomorrow, that pool is going to be a lifesaver. The smoky skies remind us just how unpredictable Australian summers can be, but just for now we're focusing on enjoying the trip. Off we go. Oh, those guys haven't gone yet. Give them a toot, they were out there.
Oh, God.
And Kevin. Nothing like a little caravan convoy on the road. With everything set, we're rolling towards Adelaide. Before we hit the road, we've pulled over to wait for our friends. It's always more fun travelling together, and we're looking forward to the trip ahead. The caravan is all set, and soon we'll be on our way to West Beach. It's caravan move time. There's a few caravans coming back and forth. I'm getting used to upping the pace just a little bit. We've made our way through the main stretch of the Yorke Peninsula and now approaching the turn-off onto the Yorke Highway near Ardrossan. The journey is well underway. With the highway stretching ahead, the drive is feeling smooth and steady. We're well on our way now, settling into the journey.
Here we are, Port Wakefield to Adelaide, just following our friends in front. So all's going well. Captain Christine is doing an extremely good job. Any update from the skipper?
No, I'm feeling very comfortable. Always good to have a happy co-pilot. With the caravan cruising along nicely, we're making great progress towards West Beach. After a smooth drive, we've arrived at West Beach Caravan Park. It's always exciting pulling into a new spot, and this one is in a fantastic location. We're right by the beach, and the caravan park is packed with great facilities. The park is buzzing with activity, with plenty of other travellers enjoying the summer weather, and now it's time to find our site and get set up for the week ahead. Here's a look at the West Beach Caravan Park from above. It's a big park with plenty of space right on the coastline, and here's where we're staying for the week. It's a great spot, close to everything we need. Inside, everything's set up and ready to go. The bed's made and the caravan is feeling like home already. Now it's time to settle in and enjoy our stay. It's another beautiful morning here at West Beach, and we're starting the day the right way with a big breakfast before heading out for a round of golf. Here we are, breakfast time, so we're doing a joint breakfast with the Gibbos this morning. The boys are busy on the barbecue. What's cooking?
Egg and bacon wraps.
Oh, there we go.
Egg and bacon wrap, okay. This is give us a bit of sustenance for bowls today, hey? Golf today, hey?
Golf today, yeah.
Yeah.
You need to get an energy up, Johnny boy.
Oh, we're all round athletes. Bowls, golf, you name it, we're good at it.
Johnny's a gun. He's a gun bowler and a gun golfer, hey Johnny?
Oh, we should talk some rubbish, can't we?
The tucker looks good.
Disappearing egg trick. Oh, they look good. With breakfast sizzling away, let's take a quick look around. Just next door is the pool area, and right now it is looking absolutely perfect. Not a soul in sight. The water looks so inviting, and on a warm day like today, I can already see myself taking a dip later. We're in a great spot. It's a really good spot. Happy with where we are. It's game day fuel up time. Before we hit the golf course, we're loading up on a proper pre-game meal.
Back on the golf course, Patawalonga, Westwood Ho down at not far from the well. We're on the 4th hole. Things are going pretty good.
Not far from the caravan park, it's just basically across the road.
Oh, not again.
Not again, he's done another good shot. Anyway, this is out and about today, having some fun on the golf course.
We've got Christine here playing her 3rd shot into the par 5. She's got the hybrid out.
Hey, beautiful shot. Here it goes.
Here he goes.
5 wood.
5 wood, okay. Struck that nicely. It's down there somewhere. One of the cool things about this course, it's right next to the Adelaide airport, so we get some interesting aerial views when it comes to playing out here. And there's John enjoying the game and a bit of aviation show in the background. It's not every day you get a plane in your shot. So golf's over and we're going to go to the pool. We find a nice spot to settle by the pool. Great shades, the water looks lovely, and it's such a nice vibe with everyone enjoying the day. It's my turn. I'm just practicing a bit for when I do some snorkeling later on. The water's clean, cool and just so refreshing. A perfect way to wind down after a busy day. After a refreshing dip, it's just a short walk back to our caravan. So convenient being so close to the pool. It's all right here, making it even easier to enjoy a relaxed afternoon. As the day winds down, the sunset over West Beach gives us a perfect view to wrap up the evening, the skies lighting up with those beautiful colours. It's been a hot week and the boys have been out on the green a lot, but they've played really well and made it all the way to the knockout round, a big achievement with the heat and all of the competition. After a great day out at bowls, we're heading back to our site. We've set up the new shade sail on the other side of the van and it's the first time we're using it. We're really pleased with how it's working. It's keeping the sun off the van and making the whole space feel cooler and more comfortable. Perfect in this hot weather.
Okay, would you like a drink, darling?
Yes, thank you.
Edward's there, though.
It's very nice.
Most people have them on the back of their Land Cruiser, but not us. We have it tucked away in here. Would you like a wine or a beer, or what would you like?
Wine, thank you.
Sure you like just a soft drink?
Pinot Gris.
Okay, Pinot Gris. I've got just the one here for you. I'll have a Great Northern. How good's that? A little slide out fridge.
Good temperature.
Oh yes.
You love it, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Got everything?
All good.
Packed up.
Let's hope so.
Haven't left anything undone.
Wow, it's always a possibility with me. But
You should say no doubt.
Yeah.
I'm going to give it the 2 thumbs up.
I think we're all packed up. So yeah, we are heading back home. It's been a lovely week of staying at the West Beach Caravan Park.
Lovely, had a good time with you guys. You looked after us well.
We've had such a great time here at West Beach, and a big part of that was spending it with our friends John and Judy. From playing cards at night to buddying up for rides to bowls, and even heading out for a couple of great dinners together, we've really appreciated their company on this trip. It's always fun to share these adventures with friends. We are driving out of Adelaide back to home. It's a nice easy road to get out. Straight up South Road, onto the expressway and onto the Port Wakefield Road. And being a Saturday morning, it's pretty quiet out here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Had a nice holiday in Adelaide, didn't we?
Yes, it's real good. We did lots of things. Lawn bowls, golf, family.
Yep. Caught up and did a lot of things. It was too short. I have to do it a bit longer next time. But if you liked what you saw, please do a like and subscribe, so then you know what we're up to next. Who knows? We don't really know what we're up to next, but we do have a big trip planned. The 2-month on the road trip.
Tell them where we're going. Western Australia.
We're going to hit the road, go west. We're going to head west and go to the Nullarbor and to Esperance and Albany and lots of lovely places along the coast down that way. End up Margaret River, then head up to Perth. We've already booked them, so we've got that coming, but who knows, we might do a little holiday in between.
Yep.
You don't know with us.
now, darling?
Yep, driving down the highway.
You want to sing me a song? On the road again.
You can sing it. I can.
Just can't wait to get back on the road again.
Yeah, it's been nice. I've enjoyed it. And that's where we leave you in this episode from Bucket List Adventures. Keep watching because our next episode will be a surprise to both you and to me, because honestly we don't really know what we've got planned yet, but we'll certainly have something exciting for you to watch and for us to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. We loved having you along for our holiday, and we really hope that you'll stay with us on our next adventure. So see you then. If you enjoyed this adventure, be sure to check out more of our episodes right here. We've got plenty more to explore, so click on one of these videos to continue the journey with us.